Okay, we've got a new delivery of Duropal worktops. We've got white, like a stone effect marble, black Brazil, Medina, another stone colour, beige colour, stone, that's granite, black granite. We've also got that in a matte and a gloss. A few colours there, as you can see. These are 670 and 600s mixed up, breakfast bars. So we've got a few damage. I think that's on one edge, so the other side we should be okay. As you can see, quite a few colours there. Also on the other side we have some more. We've got some oaks, got a grey glitter there, that's by Axiom I think. Some more Duropal colours, wood grains. That's the walnut one, wood mix from Duropal. Ipanema, more marble colours, whites. We've got a Nero gloss, Ipanema again, some stone colours, so quite a few colours there to choose from. Got them in 4.1s, and also we've got some short pieces as well, 2 metres. So if you're interested, give us a call on 07305 184 200.